What's up, guys? I'm gonna make a video on how to drain or replace gearcase oil for a Polaris Trailblazer 250. So I have a 2000 Polaris Trailblazer right here, and at a glance, if you're looking at the gear case underneath, you're gonna be looking for something that looks like a drain plug. But when I tried doing it, it's hard to find because what actually drains the gear case doesn't really look like a drain plug at first glance. And it's not like you just unscrew it and it starts draining. There's a couple things you have to do first. And it's not that hard, but you need a couple different kinds of wrenches, different sizes. So I will show you that. So the actual drain plug, it's going to be on the left side. So you just crawl under there. And you should see it right there. That right there is your drain plug. So what you're going to need to do, you need to loosen this nut right here. You're going to want to take it in a good amount, probably up to here. And then you're going to start tightening this one, this bolt, and that goes inside the drain plug there. The reason behind this is so that it doesn't back out while you're riding. All your transmission fluid starts pouring out and then you burn up your transmission. So we'll start doing that. You might have to mess around with that bolt and nut a little bit to tighten that bolt in enough so that the drain plug will come out. But the thing that I think would work best is you tighten the bolt as much as you can to where you know that the drain plug will come out, and then you just, once you get your fluid out and drained, you just tighten it back in. And don't forget the little washer that goes in between the bolt or the drain plug and the case, because if you don't have that in, you'll have some issues. Then when you're ready to put your fluid in, you go on the right side in there, and you got your plug right there. So you just pull that out. You got to use a pretty small funnel to fit in the hole that plug goes in, and then you put your fluid in, and then you can check it. It's like a dipstick right there. So then you fill that up, put the plug back in. All right, then I'm just gonna throw in a riding video from today just for fun. We're out in Grass Lake with Alex. There's a flood watch this morning, so it's been raining a lot. It's not that bad out here, but it's pretty muddy. Got some trans fluid in the Trailblazer. We're tearing it up. Oh yeah.
It's a lot smoother with that transmission now.
Yeah, I know.
I can even just like the watch.
Alright, so I'm hiding from Alex right now. We're playing a game called four-wheeler tag, where one person is on the four-wheeler and everyone else is just running around, and if you get within 5 feet of the runners, You have to run on the four-wheeler, and it goes on like that. So he can't find me right now. There he goes. He thinks I'm up there. Shit. You just keep moving so that they don't find you. And it's a blast if you got like 3 or 4 people. He's not gonna find me. Good luck with that, Alex. Oh, there he goes.